In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media icons to your navigation menu on your WordPress website. To add social media icons to the navigation menu, log into your WordPress website dashboard. On your WordPress website dashboard, hover over the Plugins Ice tab and left-click the Add New option. In the top right corner, type Menu Image in the search bar. A list of search results will appear. Locate the appropriate plugin and click Install. After a few moments, the plugin will automatically be installed. Then, simply left-click the Activate Now button to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, in the left navigation bar, look for an option labeled Appearance. Hover over it and left-click the Menus option. On the new page, left-click the Custom Links Views tab in the left navigation bar. Enter the URL and name of the social media you are adding. On the right side, hover over the newly added link and left-click the Menu Image Twice button. Then, left-click the icon. You can select the appropriate icon by left-clicking on it. Finally, left-click the Save Changes button in the lower right corner to save the icon.